Therapeutic Community or TC. Number 1, objective of TCMP. The Therapeutic Community Modality Program or TCMP is a structured approach used in a correctional facilities to help inmates change their behavior and mindset. Its main objectives are to promote personal growth, correctional behaviors, and prepare inmates to return to society as law-abiding citizens. TC Philosophy. The philosophy of the therapeutic community is a simple but powerful. The community is the method. This means that inmates helps one another in the healing and rehabilitation process. It focuses on peer support, mutual respect, and shared responsibility. When every member plays a role in creating positive environment. Salient features of TC. Some important features of TC include structured daily routine that builds responsibility and discipline. Peer support and accountability, where members encourage each other to change. Life skills development such as communication, problem solving, and decision making. Values formation, helping inmates builds honesty, respect, and self-discipline. Overall, the TC approach transforms the correctional environment into a healing community where change is possible. Not just through authority but through collective support. And that's all. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye!